Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us on another Weld It Wednesday episode number 2. And hopefully this will turn into a regular thing, and we'll get some interest off of it, and I'll really be able to share some stuff that helps you guys out. And so last week we went over using a cutoff wheel and a grinder to coat pipe. Hopefully you guys will be able to use that yourself and make things a little bit easier for you. They do make, I don't know who makes them, but they make some pipe jigs, they call them, for coping. I don't know how expensive they are, but hey, a piece of paper works just fine. You can use it when it wears out, make a new one. So today what I'm gonna talk about is 3 people that are key to starting and running a business. And they're 3 key people that I would recommend building a good relationship with. And those are an attorney, a banker, and a CPA, a certified public accountant. We have all 3 of those. Luckily, we haven't had to use an attorney very much other than for some contracts, land stuff, property stuff for this building, and so forth. And so with those 3 things, they're key to starting a business, yes, but running a successful business, you have to have those 3 things. Some businesses more than others. But a CPA, whether you have one in-house and you're able to do it yourself, or you pay somebody, it's key to have that person, because that's who's going to keep the numbers in line, make sure you're legal on all your tax stuff, make sure they're filed on time, and so forth. And so it's key to have a CPA that you trust, that you have a good relationship with, that you can just hand your stuff over to, or if you want to do some of it, you're able to, you're smart. I'm not able to do that stuff. I don't want to do that stuff. We do the basic invoicing and so forth, but as far as taxes, payroll taxes, monthly taxes, estimated taxes, resale taxes, just taxes, we pay somebody to do it. And so that's what they're there for. Use them for that. Let them handle it. Let them take care of everything and file those things accordingly. As far as a bank, you're going to have money at some point, or someone's going to have to handle your money. So you need somebody that you trust to, of course, a bank you can trust, but you really need to build a relationship with somebody in the bank. So you're not just going up to the counter. You can walk in, they know who you are. They know if you're trying to grow a business, they're looking out for you, better deals. Hey, the interest rates have dropped. You may want to look at refinancing, whatever the case may be. Hey, we've got these loans going out right now. And they work for you to help build your business, because they know in doing that you're going to be a repeat customer. You're going to stay there. You're going to have multiple accounts. You'll have checking accounts, savings account, payroll accounts, whatever it may be. And so you need somebody that can help you arrange all those things, and they know how to handle things and how to move things to better your business and to help grow your business and progress. And then, of course, as an attorney, you don't necessarily need an attorney to start your business. Some people use them to do LLCs and corporations and stuff. We did not. I started my LLC by myself. The Secretary of State website in North Carolina, you're able to do it all yourself, pay online now. One of the good things about COVID is they opened up a lot of things to paying online and so forth. And so with that being said, you're able to get online, do a lot more things. Now, we ended up switching from, or upgrading, I guess, from LLC to incorporated, because the CPA at the time, which no longer works for us, told us we needed to because of tax purposes. But little did we know, after finding a new CPA, we could have actually just upgraded or changed the way we filed the LLC, and it would have been the same thing. Instead, we went through the whole thing of changing, getting new bank accounts, all new QuickBooks. It was a mess. If you're in business, you understand once you get established, it's hard to change those things and start over. And so we did that, and now we're incorporated, but LLCs are absolutely fine. You just want to make sure you're covered. An attorney kind of can help you with the guiding and the knowledge of those things. So those 3 things: an attorney, a banker, and a certified public accountant. 3 people that I would recommend not just using, but getting to know them, having a relationship with them, and knowing, going in the bank on a regular basis, calling your attorneys, whatever, and having a conversation, setting up a meeting once a quarter to kind of see what's going on. And because you're going to use them for contracts and so forth, and you'll need them down the road at some point. Whether or not it's a start or the first year or 2, it may not, but you will definitely need those 3 people in order to keep your business going legally and on the right track. So hopefully that helps. Little small tips like this is what I'm trying to share, because that's kind of the questions we get from people just starting out. They just don't know where to go. And so that's one of the first things is setting up those relationships. So hopefully that helps. Thanks again for joining us on a Weld It Wednesday, and hopefully you'll tune in next week for another tip. Have an awesome day, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.